to my YouTube channel Anand Yogsala. My friends, today I'm going to show you how to practice the flying pigeon. So my friends, in this posture, especially this posture based on the hand balance and the core power actually. So for build up the core power and the arm muscle strengthening, so we have some good yogic exercises. So we will do first the yoga exercises, then we go to the flying pigeon posture. So let's start it. So my friends, here first what we have to do, first we have to come into child posture to make yourself relax here. And now please come to the cowboy posture, and then please here place both elbows on the floor. We can straighten place the palms on the floor, please here. Because the half plank posture, so we have to hold here, please like that here first. Hold it just only 10 to 15 seconds, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. After that please we come back, please again here, take a little rest here. After that for arms, we need to because the arm strengthening here especially. So for that what we have to do, some exercise we can do. I'm just showing you only 1 or 2 exercises here for each posture. So please let's start it here. So exercise number 2 here. First like you are here, then left hand, come here, down, right side, do it. So it's really helpful to strengthen your arms and the core actually. So this exercise you can repeat like that 1 to 10 times here minimum times. So so my friends, we have to do this one like that. So same thing we have to do this when we practice here 1 to 10 times the left hand and the right hand. So you can build up your arm muscles power and the core power here. So after that these exercise, once again you can come back into the child posture, and after that we can do the flying pigeon posture. So let's start it. So my friend, first for that we have to stand here. So please make your both legs together or straight, please here. Make stomach in here, look straight, make the respiratory system normal, mind concentrated. Fully awareness on your actions, so please stand beside you. Then inhale, come to slowly into the chair posture here, and then exhale, bring the left leg please remember is the core, or make stomach in, the knee also down, and slowly bring hands down here. Remember the separate fingers, still you are here. Then what we have to do, the shin bone, the muscles shin bone, we have to place under 2 arms like that. Remember, if you place will down, maybe it's very hard to lift or hold. So in this time we need to tuck our shin bone especially under 2 arm here. And after that with the help with your arm and then in the core we will make balance here. So let's do it. So place hands down here first, and after that justify, bend right leg to knee, left leg still here, don't bring it up, sit with parallel, and then we have to hold our shin bone under arm, and the inside beside the ankle also just under 2 arm. Now hold here like that, and then slowly tighten the arm and engage the core here like that. Then inhale again, exhale, slowly lift your right leg up now here, this one, and then engage core, the look straight a little, hold here, and then slowly come back again, and slowly lift up, and please same back to back step by step. Inhale, exhale, again inhale and exhale. So we have to perform like that, this posture with the left side, and then perform with the right side here. So I hope my friends you can practice the flying pigeon posture to saying after this video. So please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Namaste.